Okay, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. Are you ready to change your world? Are you ready to change your world? You know, it is said that nothing changes until you change. Nothing changes until you do. And, I realize that if I don't take the action necessary to change my life, then not much is going to change in my life. And the same thing is going to be for you as well, because that's just the way things work. Okay. With the great life worldwide global business opportunity, you can harness the power of the network marketing industry to create the kind of life that you desire. Now, the network marketing industry is a powerful catalyst of change. And the beautiful thing about this wonderful opportunity, the Great Life Worldwide Business Opportunity, is that it is a micro franchise opportunity. That's what I call it. That's what I believe that it really is. You know why? Because you do not have to pioneer something new. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to do something that's never been done before. The system is in place for those that want to become successful in this business. And guess what? Thousands and thousands of people have become millionaires through this industry. Many people have become CEOs of their own lives and businesses. Now, I've got something to share with you very quickly, and then I'm going to close this video out. Okay? Okay, hey folks. Now what you're looking at here is a page I put together, and this is what I call one of my video scripts, and I have many different forms that these video scripts come in, and this just happens to be a one pager, a quick view of this opportunity, the Great Life Worldwide opportunity. Okay, and so there are a couple of things I want to point out here on this page today in this video, but you can always come back, take a look, and see everything. Well, not everything, but everything on this page anyway that we have to offer. And then if you have any questions or anything like that, then don't hesitate to contact me. Okay. But let's look. I hope that makes sense. I've had a cold, man. You know what? I've had this cold for about, oh, man, it's been over a week now, and I'm still struggling with it, but I'm getting a little better. Thank the good Lord. But it kind of slows me down at times. But with that being said, let's look at this really quickly, and because I don't want to be here all day, but I want to get this out to you. The Great Life Worldwide, the ultimate side hustle biz for 2024 and beyond. Absolutely believe that wholeheartedly. I believe this is one of the best business opportunities in the world today, if not the very best. Okay, that's my opinion. A lot of other people are feeling the same way about this. Okay, now look at this part here. The highest paid networkers in the history of the industry made millions of dollars a year with an unlimited depth generational bonus system that paid four ways. Great Life offers the same unlimited depth generational bonuses for all products, nutritional and digital, but they pay 8 ways. Man, that speaks volumes. Okay. Let me see, just a couple other things, and you can always come back again and check out what we have here on this page. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me. Okay, so I want to go here. It says free full marketing system with the life coach affiliate membership. Okay, So keep that in mind. Also, earn up to $5,300 per month without recruiting anyone. Okay. And the other thing I want you to notice is here, let's see, check out our new hot marketing video. Man, that thing is pretty. Excuse me, somebody's calling me. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, I hate when that happens. Hey, man, you're on a roll and all of a sudden your phone rings. I usually don't bring my phone in my office just for that reason, but it just so happened that I brought it in here today. Okay, so I want to go here again. It says check out our new hot marketing video, and that's the video that's going to go on the lead capture page. It is absolutely powerful. I've got a link to that video in the description area of this video, so make sure that you check it out. Okay, and last but not least, our products are phenomenal. We have the hottest, most in-demand digital products in the industry, as well as some of the most incredible science-based wellness products. Folks, this is a powerful, powerful, powerful program, okay? We've got a lot to offer. We've got one of the very best teams in the company, okay? And so if you want to partner with some go-getters, man, then we are here for you. We're going to help you build this business. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye bye now.